I know my brain creates an internal experience by knitting together bits of sensory information, filling in the gaps with its best guess of what's out there in the world. But what are those guesses based on? Memory. Each of us has a life rich with experiences to draw from. Where we were born, went to school, who we fell in love with. Memories are the cornerstone of our identities. But as it turns out, they have a very shaky foundation.
The stories we tell ourselves or what we consider our memory is a construction. We create these representations, and they're very dynamic. They constantly change. You're kind of living a revision of the story of your life constantly.
In 2000, memory scientist Eric Kandel won the Nobel Prize for showing that each memory creates new synapses, connections that store the memory. But what happens when you recall it?
Every time you remember it, you bring it up into your working memory and you perceive it, and you destroy the long-term memory. And you actually have to recast it into long-term memory when you re-remember it. So every single time you remember something, you actually add more noise to it so that it's more and more and more false throughout time.
This mechanism, called reconsolidation, was first discovered in rodents, where neuroscientists witnessed what happens when a memory gets recollected. For the memory to return to long-term storage, the connections between neurons actually have to get rebuilt.